Hi guys, it's me Fairy and welcome to channel. And gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na matagal na ako hindi nakapag-vlog. No? Namiss ko kayo. Madami kasi masyadong ganap. Yes, nag-aral nag-aral talaga muna ako. Hindi na talaga muna ako nag-vlog, ganun. Kasi tsaka pag-graduating na din. Kaya, update ngayon, graduate na ako. Kaya ano ko na lang dito yung mga video or picture ng aking pag-graduate. At recognition din ng adin ko. Madami mga nangyari. Nag-birthday din ako, nag-18 birthday din ako. At ilalagay ko na lang din dito yung mga picture or video na naganap ng birthday ko. Ayun lang. Ang dami kasi mga naganap, naging busy. Tsaka, isa din doon siguro, nag-aral kasi ako. Mas tinutok ko muna yung pag-aaral ko bago ako mag-vlog ulit. Kaya yun, I'm back. Proceed to the next video. Papakita ko na sa inyo yung mga naganap ko this year, this month, and na-miss ko kayo. I'm back ulit. Kaya, supportan niyo po sana ulit.
You have a heart of gold, and I look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll be old with you. The moon waits the night, the sun awaits the day. Yeah, and I'll await the time when I'll look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say I do. I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do. And I'll plant a garden in the summertime and pick you flowers in the rain.
Oh, I'm ready. Never been so sure, quite so steady. I'm gonna live my life to keep all the promises I made, even though
Everybody wants to see my girl. Everybody wants to take her all away. Double wedding in the whole wide world. Find another one to share. This is that queen, but walk is so mean, and every jaw drop when she's in those jeans. Alright. Everybody wanna take her all away. Couple billion in the whole wide world.
Never felt like love like this before. Come on, get me on the
Ilagay ko sa ilalim. Alam mo kung sino gumagawa.
Kakamustahin lang natin. How are you? Fairy Heart?
Masayang-masaya po.
Masayang masaya. Meron ka bang ine-expect na regalo later on?
Mamahalin.
Very wise tong anak ni Madam Medyo mamahalin na regalo. Malalaman natin yan later on. Meron ka bang munang gustong sabihin sa family and friends mo na pumunta ngayon?
Thank you po ng marami. Enjoy po.
Palakpakan naman natin si Fairy. Ayan. You look gorgeous tonight. Siyempre, mag-e-enjoy i-enjoy ng mga bisita mo ang party mo. At the same time, kailangan i-enjoy mo rin. Okay? Exact date po. The exact birth date of Fairy Heart.
Closer!
Sino po nakakaalam?
Waki!
Oh, eto. Nasaan yung mic? What's your name? Birthday of Fairy Heart. Okay, laro ulit tayo. Hindi pa natin ubos tong pa-premyo natin. Kailangan maibibigay natin to sa lahat. Another question. Very hard question. Muli, bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan, guys. The father and daughter dance, Mr. Jesse Kimen and the debutant Fairy Heart. And this time, may we call on all our 18 roses to proceed to in front for a photo opportunity with the debutant. Come on, guys. Roses are having their photo opportunity. Sa lahat ng mga guests natin, to all our guests, ayan, the Pika Pika station is now open for everyone. It's free, so enjoy it. Ayan, pwede na po kayo pumunta dito sa ating Pika Pika station. We have some sweets, cupcakes, marshmallows, and donuts. Services. Ayan. Muli o guys, punta na kayo sa Pika Pika, oh. Kain na kayo. Daddy, dito ka muna. Sir Jesse. Dito ka muna. Alright. May we go. Ayan. A simple wish and greetings for the debutant. Sisimulan natin kay ladies first ba, madam? Papa muna. Nasaan yung other mic? Yung isang mic nasaan? Ayan. Thank you po. Okay. Daddy, ikaw daw mauunang mag-wish para kay Fairy.
Mama, please.
Wish ko lang mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Yun lang.
Ay, very nice message. Mahiyain din pala si Daddy, no? Okay, next. Uy, Mami, Jocelyn.
Fine.
Paano ng music ni Jay?
Kung ano yung sinabi ni
Pahina
Papa.
ng music.
Hindi sasabihin ko. Medyo. Totoo po yung masungit to talaga. Pwede sa akin. Masungit siya. Kaya bawas-bawasan mo yung pagkasungit mo pa yan. Tapos mag-aral mo mabuti. Tapos alagaan mo si Ading. Yun lang. Thank you. Happy birthday po.
Palakpakan naman natin. Applause guys for the parents of the debutant, Mr. and Mrs. Kimen. Ayan. Alright! So, mag-wish din daw yung ating. Nasaan si Ivan?
Ay!
Go, Ivan!
I wish you to be a good sister.
Good sister. What else?
In your life, happy birthday. Yun lang.
Palakpakan naman natin the brother Ivan. Thank you so much. And now, ay imbitahan ko po ulit kayong lahat to please stand up. Tayo po tayo for the cake blowing. Ayan, meron ba tayong candle dyan? And bibigyan natin ng, let's have a birthday song for Fairy and she will gonna blow. Ang cute ng cake niya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Wala pa palang lighter. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Mas mabilis. Happy birthday to you. Hey, hey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy to you. Happy birthday, Fairy Heart. And you may now blow the candles and make a wish. And may pasabog daw. Hindi lang to basta cake. It's a money cake. So pull! Fairy Heart, pull! Wow! Sige! Hilahin mo pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, Diyos ko, ang dami. Yes! Kakaiba yung ngiti ni Fairy, oh. Yay! May pang Paris na talaga siya. Ladies and gentlemen, applause for Fairy Heart! Ayan, this money cake is brought to you by Tito Victor. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Tito Victor, guys. Sige, tayo na po tayo. Dito po tayo sa gilid. Para dire-diretso po tayo. Our catering services, we have Lanes, Catering, Perfection, and Rental Services. Also, for our beautiful setup for tonight, Lanes Event Styling and Decor. Next, table number 3. For once again to our suppliers for catering styles, we have for the cake we have Tita Ansi Pu. The debutant we have Michelle Clothing, hair and makeup by Miss C.
Ano? Paganyan, ma?
Table number 5. Sino ba yung table number 5? Sige po, dito na po tayo tayo na po tayo para dire-diretso.
Look, dito. Isang kaway po. Please, smile. One more. Isang kaway po sa video. Hi. Ayan po. So sweet, smile. Can you wave at the video? Hi. Thank you.
brought to us by Lean's Catering Perfection and Rental Services for another part of the celebration of the 18th birthday of Fairy Heart. Once again, this has been your host. My name is J Mark. I'll be right back in a few. Thank you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, smile. Isa pa po.
Yes, enjoy. Once again, enjoy the samchi pa pong kumain. Pwede pa po kayong bumalik, okay? Kapag medyo bitin pa, sige, balik lang po kayo sa buffet. Enjoy your food and drinks, guys.
It's funny how some simple things, the best things begin. This time is different. My favorite now is gonna go sometime. It's funny to say. It's just good
enjoy po natin ang food. You can go back to the buffet station for more foods and drinks.
I cannot wait to hold you. Feel my arms around you. How long I have waited just to love you. Now that I don't ever go, I love you so. The time is right, the perfect was my friend, and that's the good of the love so blue. I'm gonna go and speed on, seeing something stupid like I love you.
Bayad si Pera doon, bayad. Mukha ko, tanong ka pa ba? Taon yun.
Palakpakan naman natin si Fairy, guys.
Una-una po sa lahat, thank you po sa mga pumunta po dito, especially po sa family ko, tsaka sa friends ko. At thank you din po sa mga nagpuyat po na sa dito, lalo na po si Tita Roslyn, tsaka sila Mama and Papa. Yun lang po, thank you po, enjoy po, and maging ligtas po kayo pag-uwi. Yun lang po, thank you!
Okay na ba? Okay, maraming salamat, Fairy. Pero bago ang lahat, this event will not be possible without these suppliers. So palakpakan lang natin sila, ha? Pasalamatan natin for our Cater and Styles by Tita Roslyn Kimen. Tama ba? Kimen. Ayan. Tita Roslyn Kimen Valdez. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin siya. Ayan. the beautiful setup, the sumptuous dinner, at yung mga pika-pika natin. Ayan, nandito po nakapost po dyan yung contact numbers and Facebook accounts nila. Kung meron kayong mga events na gustong kontakin sila, magpa-cater at magpa-decorate. Ayan, Lynn's Events, Styling and Decor, Lynn's Catering, Perfection, and Rental Services. Maraming salamat. And for our photo and video by Tito Edgar Polinar ba to? Polinar? Palakpakan naman natin, Famous Studio. Ayan, sila ang our official photographers and videographers for tonight. For our lights and sounds, by Tito Alan Odulio, Cyberlands, Lights and Sounds. Thank you so much. At sa ating beautiful cake, pasalamatan din natin si Tita Ann Pusing. Ayan, di ba si Tita Ann? Ay, thank you, Tita Ann. Kayo po gumawa ng cake? Ay, ang ganda. Sana sa birthday ko may mag-sponsor ka, Tia. Next week, birthday ko na. Feb 25. Oh, 10 araw na. Oh, birthday ko na. Ayan. For our souvenirs, Mad Bizzle. Palakpakan natin. And sa attire is Michelle Clothing, hair and makeup by Miss C. And yours truly, I am J. Mark, your host for the night. Kapag may kailangan nyo ng supplier ng mga acoustic, full band, kailangan nyo ng party-party, kontakin nyo lang ako. Facebook account ko is J. Mark Calderon lang din. Tapos yung Instagram ko is at PaisasJM25. Yan. Kapag kailangan nyo ng Tapos Gcash number ko 091. Charot. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much for coming here at the celebration of Fairy Heart's 80th birthday. So, in behalf of the family, in behalf of Ma'am Jocelyn, maraming salamat for inviting me, ha. Si Ma'am Jocelyn po yung nagpapunta sa akin dito at nag-invite. Thank you so much. Pati na rin kay Sir Jesse, kay Fairy, thank you so much. We hope that you enjoy the rest of the evening today. Sa inyong lahat, sa family, kaibigan, na mga nakarating, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hindi pa tapos ang party, ha? Magpapaalam lang ako sa iyo. This has been your host. My name is J. Mark. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Meron pa tayong mga inumin. Meron pa tayong food, right, madam? Meron pa? Thank you so much. Palakpakan! Thank you!
You always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look.
Thank you po sa mga gifts and sa cash.